Research programs working on the biggest issues that humanity is facing, such as mapping cancer markers, require lots of computational resources that are both expensive and time-consuming. But what if you could help solve these issues while you're sleeping? The costs and access to specialist hardware and personnel can prevent many research projects from even getting off the ground. Satya Nadella said, "The world is rapidly running out of computing power." But we believe there is enough compute power in the existing hardware, it's just not being tapped into. Although distributed computing allows problems to run on different machines at the same time, reducing costs to run complex problems, current distribution platforms still require on-site specialist hardware, network connections, and administration personnel to run a project. CORA is different. CORA is a distributed computing platform that requires no additional hardware or software. This will dramatically improve access to computing power to large and small research projects aimed at solving some of the most pressing issues in the world. We've built an application that allows anyone with an internet-connected device, including a smartphone, to contribute to solving today's hardest problems. To give you an example of what this means, if 1,000 old Samsung S6s were running CORA at 30% power, it would already be equal to a dedicated server. With only 100,000 of the same devices, the CORA platform would be considered a supercomputer. So you can already imagine the amount of compute power more recent devices could generate. We have the proof of technology complete, demonstrating the architecture of CORA, its security in both user data, transmitted data, device security, and integrity of the data processed. In other distribution platforms, problems require repeat processing to ensure that the results returned are correct. CORA has developed a method that removed this duplication requirement, further speeding up the return and validation of the results processed. Running CORA on your device, you earn credits that you can use to donate back to research programs or exchanged on our marketplace for rewards on partnership programs we're working on. We're making our downloadable applications easy to use and accessible to the general public. Scientists can purchase or spend donated credits to run their problems. Scripts are uploaded to the CORA website, where it is then distributed to the network in tiny packets. The results are sent back to CORA, where they are reassembled into the format that the scientists need to carry out their research. Our software development kit allows developers to integrate their application with CORA. This way, CORA will run while you're playing your favorite game or reading an article in a news app. Companies can download the CORA server application as part of their corporate social responsibility activities and donate compute power. CORA only runs when the servers are idle, like during low usage times when people are not at work. We're currently working with a university in the United States to develop scripts that will help in their research for analyzing contaminants in public drinking water. This is our pilot research program and will help us in fine-tuning the platform to support the needs of research teams in other universities and organizations. We need to further develop the public applications and reporting features of our administration console for the scientists and analysts. We want to support more programming languages for integrators using our SDK and the scripting preferences of the scientists. We're now building a community of those interested in our plans and hope you can join us on miacora.com. Thanks for listening.